Good morning, Michael Mazarang here again, and today I'm on a commercial job site for foundation underpinning, and this job was started by another company, and it is a commercial job site. No permit was pulled, which is a problem. Any commercial job site requires a permit, and so that I believe is being corrected in the background as we speak. But another interesting part of this job, foundation repair requires, a certain expertise. And one of the things is you'll see they opened up all these holes. There's 15 locations here where we're doing what's called a deep foundation. And we had 2 inches of rain come in over the weekend. Why would you want to open 15 holes up on a commercial job, and now each one of these holes has water in it? Water's getting up under the foundation. Why is there no plastic over these dirt piles? Why was no plywood put down over these holes? And now this is a mucky mess. So you don't want to have water go up underneath a foundation. Obviously, this company that started the work was just chasing checks. They wanted to get done with the job as fast as possible, opened up multiple holes when you got a rainstorm coming in. And there's the bracket. Wow. To follow proper foundation repair procedure, the bracket needs to be up underneath the building itself. The footing isn't chipped properly here. This one, the bracket's 2 feet out from the building. They didn't even touch the concrete. This is totally unacceptable. The engineer will never clear this work. The foundation needs to be chipped back so that the bracket's up underneath the building. So this is, not only do we have a mess here, but these helical piers are improperly installed. Inadequate installation angle, brackets crooked, and the foundation isn't even faced properly. So, this is foundation repair is kind of a complex kind of repair, and there's a lot of people in the business now that do it. You got a lot of the waterproofing companies that are doing foundation repair, and corporately driven. This crew was sent out here with the sole purpose of getting through the job quickly. The permit wasn't pulled. We've got steps that were skipped in the installation. We've got water in the holes on a commercial job site. So, yeah, this is something that you really need to be aware of if you're a contractor, homeowner, property management company. Just because the company can get out here fast doesn't mean they're a properly trained and licensed foundation repair contractor, or certified foundation repair contractor. Do your research. Make sure the company is recommended by the engineer, and make sure, of course, that they're pulling permits like they're supposed to, and that you're having proper project oversight. So definitely wanted to share this morning. Something that you don't want to do. If you're doing foundation repair, make sure you've got a qualified contractor to do the work that is going to follow proper building code requirements and pull the proper permitting, as well as project oversight with the licensed engineer and over the engineer of record. If you have any questions about foundation underpinning, helical piers, engineering, permitting, you can give us a call at the number under your screen, or visit us on the website, and we look forward to answering those questions. Thanks for joining us. in Huntersville this morning, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.